important aspect of our project is to have the interaction between what's happening as a user is in front of the installation affect what's getting output in the form of both visuals and sounds.
We had this vision in the beginning that, it was a little vague, but over time it just became this thing kind of bigger than ourselves, actually, and it was kind of fascinating to watch people interact with it and get to experience it as well, so we've had a lot of fun.
I would say that the most challenging aspect of this project was actually bringing together all of the different parts over the course of the whole project and making them all fit together in a way that was cohesive and coherent when it came to the presentation and experience. I constructed a lot of the walls, installed the spandex on the walls, and then also built the frames of the walls. Also helped lead the team through a design sprint that helped us get through each stage and process of the actual project overall. My favorite aspect of the project was how diverse our team was and all of the different skill sets that we brought together to build this particular project.
As we moved forward and moved away from our original plans, trying to come up with a way to implement it in such a way that it's not a massive and cumbersome installation. It was kind of a balancing act between trying to have something that was sturdy while also not just being overly cumbersome. Being able to just work with my hands and build something with screws, hammers, nails, etc. was actually pretty fun to do.
Primarily as we were trying to network back and forth between the walls to get that motion to affect the audio in an interesting way, in a way that wasn't so sporadic or crazy, but that could really feel like smooth and enjoyable to participate in.
My role with V.E.I.L was pretty much trying to figure out a lot of the technical aspects of just trying to network between different laptops. The most challenging aspect for me for this project was just trying to think in the simplest terms possible. It got very quickly overcomplicated, and there were so many moving pieces that, it posed me this challenge of trying to just deconstruct and work in layers, build this with small steps. That was what the project called for.
Why do you do this? Is that good? Come here. I want your paper.
I feel like we really created a good space for multiple people to be able to engage with it, to make it feel like they were really standing with another person, and to actually have fun with each other through the walls, to enjoy their experience and walk away with a smile, which was, as we were preparing this project, we really wanted to accomplish, so I'm happy about that.